how to search for flights on Skyscanner. Well, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let me guide you quick and easy on how you can search for flights on Skyscanner. Well, the process is plain and simple. To search for flights on Skyscanner, you can proceed to open up Skyscanner. Then you can see the flights section, hotel section and rental section on the homepage. Tap on flights. Now you can select either round trip, one way or multi. So if you are going to multi-city travel, then you can select multi-city. If it is just one way, you can select one way, or if it is round trip, select round trip. Then you can see from option, you want to select where you are traveling from. I'll select current location while using the app. And then you can select the date here when you are traveling on. I'll select 10 here for now. Then simply select where you are going to. So I'll select here this way. And now you can select either economy class, or you can tap on that particular class that's showing there, economy class, premium economy, business, or first class. Select the number of travelers and then it'll filter out and give you the best prices here. So it's pretty plain and simple, right? This is how you can easily search for flights on Skyscanner. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.